Welcome to day 220 daily current affairs. Today first news is about COVID-19 vaccine. The new Zycov-D get approval from the DGCA, Director Control General of India. Yesterday on Friday they got approval, and the vaccine can be administered the age of above 12 also can be administered this vaccine, and this is a DNA based vaccine. Uh, Now it is a Ahmedabad based Zydus Cadila group. So the company is Zydus Cadila and the vaccine name is Zycov-D. Okay, vaccine name is Zycov-D. From yesterday it got emergency approval. Okay, coming to next news. Telangana state GHMC certified water place. GHMC got a certificate of water place by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This certificate will be given for the best practices of safe cleaning and of sewer and septic tanks through mechanized equipment. So, if there are safe cleaning practices of septic tanks and sewage tanks, the body will get the certificate of water place, which got to the Telangana GHMC. In Telangana, this local body GHMC is the first body to get the water place certificate. Okay. This is about today's daily news and current affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.